Hi guys, this is Pradeep Raj. I would like to welcome you all to the fresh new course on PCB design. This particular PCB design course is designed for freshers as well as the candidates who are looking for a great career in PCB design as well as hardware design. If anybody wants to switch their domain to PCB design, or the PCB designers who are already working and they want to explore or enhance their skill set, I just want to recommend them to go for this Udemy course, which is PCB design using OrCAD or Allegro from basics to expert level. So this particular course has more nearly around 3,000 students enrolled and more than 500 plus ratings with a 4.3. It has now got 83% off on its base price. The overview of this course is it has got more than 30 plus hour on-demand video and 128 downloadable resources. Along with that, it has got more than 130 plus classes, and everyday classes are getting uploaded. And this in this particular course, you can check it out for learning from basics to expert level. So coming back to our course, we will discuss about what are the things we are going to learn in the entire course in this session. Overall, in this session, we will be having around 15 different lessons. In the first 5 lessons, we will be having introduction to the PCB, where we will know about the detail about what is PCB, what are the material which we use, what is the involvement of designers as well as manufacturers. In this lesson 2, we will discuss about how to do the circuit designing. Circuit designing is an essential part in the PCB design. If you are not doing the circuit designing, that's fine, but at least you should understand what is the circuit is all about, or application circuit is all about. And in the lesson 3, we will understand the software, which is we are in this particular course we are using OrCAD and Allegro 17.4 version. We will understand the environment, how to create a new projects, how to create a pad stack editor, how to create a PCB boards. So in the lesson 4, we will also discuss about IEEE standard symbol creations. We have already seen many of electronic symbols in our textbooks. So now it's the time to design those symbols in the software according to the IEEE standards. In the lesson 5, we will discuss about the bill of material. We call it as BOM. The bill of material will be having all the information related to the component which will sit on the PCB. So this is first 5 lessons. We will discuss about introduction to bill of material, and in the next 5 sessions or 5 lessons, we will discuss about the footprint design. In the footprint design, we will discuss about SMT footprint design, through hole footprint design, BGA footprint design. There are many types of footprint designs we will discuss in the lesson 6. Whereas come to lesson 7, the designed footprints we will attach to the schematic, and then we will try to switch from the schematic level to board level, so to design the PCB board. In the lesson 8, we will go for the outline and board shapes, where we discuss about what will be the board shape, what is the size of the board shapes, all related informations. In the lesson number 9 and 10, we will discuss about the layer stack up, which is initially we will discuss about 2 layer stack ups, how to arrange the layer stack up, how to arrange the dielectric material, how to arrange the copper section, what will be the thickness of the copper, and what is the thickness of the layer, core layer. We will all discuss in lesson 9, and in the lesson 10 we will discuss the rules and regulations which we apply on our PCB. That is all about the constraint settings. In the lesson 11, we will work on the artwork. Artwork are the files which is required by the manufacturer. So first we will discuss what is artwork, how to create artwork files, and what are the necessary files we need to add inside the artwork folder. In the lesson number 12, we will discuss about the component placement. So this is completely a planning. So we will get a two-side placement. We may get one-side placement. We will plan according to the circuit and according to our requirement, and we will start doing the component placement. While before routing, we will also define if any wires are required. If wires are required, we will create how to create wire, what are the types of wire, all the details we will discuss in the lesson number 13. And then in the lesson number 14 is a very important topic where we will discuss about how to do the routing, rules and regulations related to routing, and ground planing and power planing related things we will discuss in lesson number 14. And finally, in the 15th lesson, we will release the Gerber. So Gerber release is the one part which is required by the manufacturer. We will create the Gerber or artwork files and we will send it to the manufacturer for manufacturing purpose. These are the 15 different lessons we will discuss in the entire course. And what will be the outcome of this particular course, we will say. So what skills we were going to have after completing this course? The first thing, you will be having a strong knowledge on electronic parts, because each and every circuits will be having an electronic components involved in it. And eventually we will study about those parts and what are the behavior of that particular part. So you will be having a strong knowledge on electronic parts, and also you will be able to prepare few circuits related to power supply circuits and some small application related circuit designing also you will be able to do, you will be able to prepare. Otherwise, at least you will be able to understand if any circuit is provided to you will be able to understand the circuit. And then when it comes to tool, so we will create IEEE standard symbols. So you will be now having a knowledge once you complete this course how to create the IEEE standard symbols, what will be the symbol drawing, what is the symbol pins, what are the symbol pin properties. Those detail about IEEE standard symbols you will have a complete knowledge. So once you prepare some schematics, so we will give many schematics for your assignment. So once you are working on that, so you'll be mastering in creating the schematic design using this particular tool, and you will be able to understand the technical data sheets. So once we prepare that BOM, that is bill of material, along with that we will also download the data sheets of the particular components, and you will read and understand what are the technical related things about the components. So and then you will be able to design the 2D layout or footprints of each and every component, and also board design, board shapes. We will discuss about the board, how to export the board, how to design the board shape, how to import the board shape. All details know you will be knowing after completion of this course. And then finally you will be able to calculate the design standards and you can design the board independently. Calculation is very important. There are certain rules and regulations we need to apply and then calculate it with a few formulas I'm going to explain in the sessions. And once you finish entire course, you will be able to design this entire from schematic to Gerber release without any help. That means independently you will be able to design a PCB board. So this is all about the skill sets you will get it once you finish this course. I hope you will get all the details. I hope you understood all the details. So I wish you all the best for this course.